Hello everyone. Today I will share previous year's questions of ancient India. So let's start. Now I will discuss the questions are from 2019. So where did Gautama Buddha attain nirvana? The answer is Bodh Gaya. 2. Who wrote Mrichakatikam? The answer is B. Shudrak. 3. Who among the following succeeded Samudragupta as the next ruler of Gupta dynasty? The answer is A. Chandragupta II, means second Chandragupta. 4. The inscriptions of Ashoka and the Brahmi scripts were deciphered by. The answer is B. James. Number 5. Which among the following places have been the earliest evidence of agriculture in Indian subcontinent? The answer is B. Mehergarh. Now I will discuss the questions which are from 2018. Who assumed the title of Gangai Konda Chola? The answer is A. Rajendra I, means first Rajendra. 7. Which historian is famous for his research on ancient Indian history? The answer is C. Ramcharan Sharma. 8. Which Gupta ruler repulsed Huna invention? The answer is C. Skandagupta. 9. Who was the author of Brihat Samhita? The answer is B. Brahmihir. 10. Who was referred to as Sandroctus in the writings of Greeks? The answer is C. Chandragupta Maurya. 11. Where did Gautama Buddha deliver his first sermon? The answer is C. Samath. 12. Which kingdom covered the modern Gaya district of Bihar? The answer is C. Magadha. 13. Who came to India during the time of Chandragupta Maurya? Answer is C. Megasthenes. 14. Who was the writer of Buddha Charita? The answer is B. Ashva Ghosha. 15. Which among the following Harappan sites is not located in Gujarat? The answer is D. Banawali. Now I will discuss the questions which comes in exam of 2017. 16. Ashtadiggajs were patronized by. Four options are here. Answer is D. Krishna Deva Raya. 17. Which of the following is a Harappan site located in Rajasthan? The answer is C. Kalibagan. 18. The famous physician during Buddha's time was D. Jivaka. 19. The author of Kadambari was D. Banabhatta. 20. The Mauryan ruler who used the name Piyadashi in his official declaration was B. Ashoka. 21. The Chinese traveler Huan Sung came to India during the region of. The answer is C. Harshvardhana. Now I will discuss the question which are from 2016. The decline of the Nandas at the hands of Kautilya and Chandragupta Maurya has been vividly portrayed in the Sanskrit play? The answer is D. Mudra Raksha. Next, the most famous Indo-Greek ruler of India was C. Menander. Next, which king founded the Vikramshala University? The answer is A. Dharampala. Next, who were the participants in the tripartite struggle in northern India from the 8th to the 10th century? The answer is D. Palas, Cholas, Rashtrakutas. Next, rice cultivation is associated with the Harappan site of. The answer is B. Lothal. Next, the Upanishads were compiled around. The answer is C. 1000 BC. Next, according to Buddhism, the cause of all sorrow is C. Trishna. Next, the year of 2015. The author of Kadambari was. The answer is D. Banabhatta. Next, which was the ancient port of Indus civilization? The answer is B. Lothal. Next, which of the following was a Buddhist genealogical text? The answer is D. Deepa Vamsha. Now the questions are from 2014. Which ruler was contemporary of both Buddha and Mahavira? The answer is A. Bimbisar. Next, Chandragupta Maurya was succeeded by. The answer is A. Bindusara. 34. What was the policy of Samudragupta in the south? The answer is 34C. Digvijay. Next, the oldest Veda is B. Rig Veda. Shashanka belonged to the 36 C. Gauda dynasty. Next, Alexander fought against Porus on the banks of the river. The answer is B. Jhilam. Next, who is the author of Indica? The answer is 38B. Megasthenes. Next, Taxila was the famous site of. 39B. Gandhara art. Next, the questions are from the year of 2013. Which Hindu sacred text did Dr. Ambedkar burn in public? The answer is B. Manusmriti. Next, who composed Aihol Prasasti? The answer is 41B. Ravi Kirti. Next, 42. The Great Bath was found in. 42C. Mohenjo-daro. Next, 43. The first permanent home of Aryans in India was A. Punjab. Next, Buddha was born in B. 563 BC. Next, who of the following put up a stiff resistance against Alexander? The answer is C. Porus. Next, in his inscriptions, Ashoka calls himself. The answer is D. Devanama Piyadasi. 47. Which of the following Gupta rulers was known as Vikramaditya? The answer is C. Second Chandragupta. Next, 48. Who introduced Kauliana system in Bengal? The answer is Lakshana Sen. Next, I will discuss the questions which are from the year of 2012. In which ancient text do you find the earliest reference to the Varna system? The answer is V. Rig Veda. Next, who composed the Allahabad Prashasti of Samudragupta? The answer is D. Harisena. Next, who was the Kaivarta chief who rebelled against the Pala ruler Mahipala II of Bengal? The answer is C. Divya. Next, who among the Gupta rulers was known as Lichaviduahitra? The answer is 52A. Samudragupta. Next, the Khalimpur copper plate informs us about the military exploits of the Pala ruler. The answer is C. Dharampala. Please forgive me if there is any pronunciation mistake. If you want more videos, please tell me in the comment section. Thank you.